Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't...
All right, I must sound brighter.
What's up, Jen? There's a...
Get my phone! Not to public. If the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
Papara.
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's on.
Y se sale de la pista.
Naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan over...
Oh yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder, gazooga!
Have to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up?
wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco always wins. It's boring.
Don't worry, Whiff. When you puff back, you will have a helper. His name is Scruff the Scrunch.
Over speed.
Thanks, guys.
Neither one of them has a single day.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that.
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking forward.
I hereby dub thee.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Guy so long. Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
I love this guy.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in...
You know what he said? The youngsters will tell you.
Oh man, the paint's still wet!
Volvemos a los tics de Chick con Chick Hicks. Soy su amigo el pasado y por siempre campeón de la Copa Pistón.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the
Red, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente y fuera.
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.
all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Welcome back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look ready.
Just because I never trusted Axelrod, you're dead wrong, man. It was...
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will...
I sold them.
To who?
No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over...
Not my town, no.
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!